Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the shell in Solidworks. Let's get started. First, create a new file to work on. Select all the three planes and show them. On the top plane, create a new sketch of rectangle. Set the diameter or the dimensions of the rectangle to 150 by 120. We are done here. Exit the sketch. Now extrude to form a solid. Set the depth to 90 millimeters. Now we have a solid block. Next, click on the shell button right here and select the face, the top face of the solid blocks. Set the thickness to 20 millimeters and click this show preview button to see what you will get in the end or as the result. Click on the green check sign to finish editing the shell feature. Now if you want to make this wall to be thinner, go back by right click on the shell feature and edit feature. Change this value to a smaller value to change the wall thickness. Now be mindful not to set this value too big, and you will see that the yellow preview line is now gone. If you try to set this value, you will get an rebuild error, which means that the wall thickness is too thick that it does not make any sense at all for the SolidWorks. So make sure that you are choosing or selecting or give it appropriate value for the shell thickness. Next, you can go back to edit feature and in this blue color box, select more faces to get different results. For example, I have selected the top face and this face right here to get this result. You can also use different combinations to form different results. As you can see, select three face to form this result right here, which we have seen earlier in the video. You can also choose the face combinations to be like this. So this is a rough idea on how you can use the shell in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.